Hi everyone, I hope you all can hear me properly. Okay, so good evening. Okay, so today I'm going to explain you about this QS Software All-in-One program. And thank you very much for your kind participation. Okay, and I think this will be a great journey for all of us. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so tomorrow you will have the Viva, and best of luck for that. Okay, I think this half an hour, 40 minutes will be a game changer for your life. Okay, so let me start this session with a small magic. Okay, so then you will love this session. Okay, so I will explain everything within 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Okay, then uh, you can ask your questions. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so now you can see a software in your screen. Okay, and I'm going to do something with this software. I will go to this file, then I will click on this new, and I will give a name to this project, trial one. Then I will select default project and I'll click insert. Now you can see my screen, right? Okay, so I will go to True Wings, then I will click on add. Then I will go to my local disk. I will go to my D QS Software All-in-One, and I will select this model and I will click open. Then I will import this model into our software. I will click on 3D and I will click OK and I'll click yes. Okay, now all the information will be imported into the software. Okay, and yeah, this is interesting. Okay, so slowly data will be imported into the software. Okay, so now I'm going to import a Revit model into the software. Okay, let's see. Okay, boom, this is a Revit model. Interesting, right? Then I will click insert. Now you can see this Revit model. Then I will quickly go to these dimensions and I will click on import. Then I will click on import dimension using BIM template. Then I will click on BIM import Revit general and click open. Okay, within few seconds, I can extract all the quantities from this Revit model. Then you can see all the quantities here. Okay, you can see flow quantity, you can see generic model, rooms, you can see stacked wall, stairs, and you can see many more quantities. After extracting all these quantities, I will quickly go to my workbook, then I will click on add, then I will click on generate workbook from dimension group. Then I will rename this as BOQ, then I will click OK. Then I can generate a basic BOQ from this Revit model. Okay. Then after that, I can go to reports and I can click on print workbook to report. Then I can generate a basic BOQ by using this Hostex software within few seconds. Okay, so you can see some descriptions, quantities, unit. I have to put the rate, then we can get amount. Okay, so basically we can generate a BOQ from a 3D model within 5 minutes, right? Okay, so this is where we are now. Okay, now this is building information modeling era. Okay, industries slowly and solidly moving towards building information modeling from conventional 2D measurements. Okay, as a young quantity surveyors, as students of University of Morocco, you have to learn these newest technological advancements. But you have to learn 2D measurements also. Okay, because some companies still using this conventional method to measure quantities. But we need to have the in-depth knowledge regarding these 2D measurement software as well, especially PlanSwift, then Bluebeam Reading. And then you have to have a very good understanding about CostX software. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this small magic. Okay, now let me introduce myself and then I will explain further about these measurement software. Okay, then you can ask me any question regarding this software and you can ask some general questions from me. Okay, so please give me a moment. I will share my screen again. Then we can discuss about today's session. Okay. Let me explain a little bit about myself. Okay, so I hope you all can see this presentation slide. Okay. Uh, yeah, so my name is Tirina Vitarama. Okay, currently I'm the country manager of Cloud Cubicost UAE. And I have done a lot of CPD sessions. You can see this is a CPD session I have done for IIESO UAE with regards to building information modeling. And this is for SLQS Oman. And this is for CyberQS Sri Lanka. And this is IQSSL Sri Lanka. And I have done a lot of university lecturing as well. Okay, so this is one session I have done for students of University of Moratuwa. I hope you can remember me. Okay, so if you have participated for this session, and I have done a lot of lectures for KDU students, and I have done some training sessions for Scott campus as well, and IQSSL Sri Lanka. And I have done a lot of company trainings in Sri Lanka. You can see this is VICN, Sunken Overseas, CCNPL, VFON, Moonstone, ICC, Sri Lanka Army. I think I have trained almost all the cost consultancy firms in Sri Lanka. And I have organized a lot of BIM competitions as well. This is one competition I organized for KDU, and this is for my Revit and Navisworks students. And I organized the first ever BIM competition in UAE with collaborate with Claudel. You can see the winners here. And I have trained a lot of companies in UAE. You can see China State, UAE, Gleeds, one of the oldest cost consultancy firm in UAE, ACOM, Carbon Group, James Cubitt, China Aviation, XCOM, Spectrum. I have a lot of students in XCOM, and I have a lot of students in the Spectrum as well, including their managing QS. He's one of my student from QS Software All-in-One. And then this is Gallery of Excellence. Okay, so you can see uh, this is the richest company in Sri Lanka, Valuable One. So Mr. Dhammika Pereira's office. Okay, so I will zoom this in. Okay, and see, this is Director of Techno City. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Telina. Ramain from Valuable One. Okay, Mr. Dhammika Pereira's office. They personally invited me to deliver this session. Okay, I trained the staff of Valuable One with regards to Costex. And you can see they have clearly mentioned our name in their job advertisements as well. Okay, so you will get a great validity for your certificate in Sri Lankan construction industry. Okay, so if you obtain our certificate, okay, it will be really, really valuable for you to get a prestigious job opportunity in Sri Lanka. Okay, so uh, this is one of the achievement we have obtained through this course. Okay, so and you can see another gallery of excellence. Okay, so we sponsored SLQS UAE events for 2024 and 2025. Okay, so we were the main sponsor. And I organized first ever 5D BIM workshop in UAE back in 2025. Okay, more than 30 people participated for this event. And this is Halford training. Halford is one of the biggest cost consultancy firm in Sri Lanka. I had the privilege to train the staff of Halford as well and Delive UAE training. Okay, so Delive is one of the biggest cost consultancy firm in the world. Okay, here I think they have branch in Australia and UAE as well as in India. And I trained around 150 employees for Delive. Okay, so I hope you have got a small understanding about me. Okay, so let's move into our software training discussion. Okay, so I will open my software and then I will open PlanShift Bluebeam. Then I will explain you what we are going to learn with regards to Costex. Okay, so before that, I would like to invite a special person. Okay, so she's one of the great entrepreneurs in Sri Lanka right now. Okay, and she is a very good friend of mine. So I will invite this special person. So she is from University of Moratuwa, and now she is doing miraculous things for Sri Lankan construction industry and construction industry all over the world. And actually, Ishini and I discussed about this program because actually we need to have extraordinary talents for our private companies and we need to produce some extraordinary talents from University of Morocco. So that's why we decided to select uh, few students from University of Morocco and train them well. Okay, so I will do these software trainings. I will train you with regards to PlanShift, Bluebeam, and Costex, and Ishini will do a special session with regards to artificial intelligence. Okay, so yes, Ishini, it's over to you. So these guys are your juniors. So you can explain a little bit about our program to them, and you can give some motivations to them. Then it's over to you.
Right. So, well, I didn't sort of prepare anything like super organized or anything. So I'll just say like pretty much bunch of points that I wanted to make and from the discussions that we had. So number one thing is like I think we are all like super aware that quantity surveying is becoming like super competitive, right? There are like so many vertical graduates coming in, and it's essentially like a skills game to be on like top of the competition. And for that, me and Tirina, yeah, both like we believe that there needs to be like two things. First one is accuracy, and second one, which is super important, which is efficiency. And the program that we are going to pretty much conduct here will focus on the efficiency part the most. Essentially, like so when it comes to like a QS company, so the driving factor that determines their cost is the time taken for QS measurements or any other QS work. So they will obviously will prefer to hire someone who can get the work done like faster, right? So that's where we need to like target, so that your talent or your skills will be super attractive to the employers out there. So that's like pretty much the gist of the program and everything, to be like super efficient and to get like to use all the resources out there to do the work like faster than everyone else. That's when it comes to program. And when it comes to the motivation, oh well, I think like pretty much when it comes to motivation, first of all, like I'm not sure are all of these people from Moritua Tilnai.
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Oh, right.
ma'am. Come from
So
Amazon.
Right. So, I mean, number one, it's actually like motivating for others to see that you have come to this university, right? But like, don't waste this chance. And I always like tell this to everyone. So it needs to be like we need to like essentially level up, right? So we pretty much we got like a good name, or we got like what you call community respect, because we got enrolled into Murder. And that community respect after university actually like sort of dries down, and the next level of community respect is like getting a good job or like achieving like the next sort of career goal. So what I wanted to say is like, even when you're in uni, or like plan out for your next big thing, um so that you can like you can get the same level of what you call the respect slash recognition that you're going to get, that you're going to get like after graduating as well. So it's going to be like a whole different game. The rules are different. It's a completely different, like a sort of an open competition, but it's something that you can win, and you can definitely sort of be the what do you call the golden child in your family. Like, I mean, I'm sure you have all gotten like many compliments when you got enrolled into Monitor. So let's just keep the compliments going on. We'll like achieve the next big thing, the next big thing, so that we will be someone that other people will look up to. So that's essentially what I wanted to say. Anything else that I missed tonight?
No, actually, thank you very much for your valuable time. Okay, so actually, um, we have planned a lot of things for you. Okay, so not only software training. Okay, so we will give you some tasks. Okay, and based on those tasks, we will evaluate you. Okay, and we have big projects uh, uh, coming in the future. So then we can uh, uh, recruit you, and then we can get your participation for those projects as well. And most importantly, we need to see some future entrepreneurs from you guys. Okay, so that is the main uh, objective of this program. Okay, so and we will carefully evaluate you, and we will carefully guide you towards your future uh, dreams. Okay, so thank you very much, Ishini. Okay, so let's continue.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we'll meet sharply at 9:30 in
yeah,
UAE.
11 Sri Lanka time. Yeah. See you.
Okay, see you. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to explain you a little bit about PlanShift software. Okay, so we saw glimpse of Costech software. Okay, so now I will explain a little bit about PlanShift software. Then I will explain you the importance of learning this PlanShift software. Okay, so let's start. I will share my screen again. Please give me a moment. Yeah. Okay, let's share our screen. Okay, now I think you can see my screen. Okay, so this is PlanShift software. Okay, very basic software, right? Okay, and this must be a boring software. Okay, no. So we can do miraculous things by using this PlanShift software. I will show you how to do it. Okay, let's say I want to measure the area of ducts. Okay, so I just need to import a drawing to the software. Okay, I will show you how to import. It's pretty simple. So you can click on this plus and you can go to next. Okay, then I will click controls and I will go to this PC. I'll go this D software all-in-one. Then I have some drawings here. Okay, so then I will click on this duct measurement drawing and I'll click next, finish. Then I can import duct measurement drawing to this software. Okay, now I want to measure the area of this duct. Okay, and I will show you how to generate the quantity of this duct. Okay, so this is the 3D visualization of the duct. Okay, you can see this is the section of duct. Then I will draw some lines. Okay, so this is my duct. See, okay, so I want to get this area. Okay, so this is the height of the duct, and this is the width of the duct, and this is the length of the duct. Okay, so what is the formula? A equals to, you guys are talented quantity surveyors from University of Moratuwa. W plus H into 2, and you have to multiply this from L. Okay, then you can easily get the duct area. Okay, so you have to measure these surfaces. Okay, so this surface, this top surface, bottom surface, and this side surface. Okay, and you have to multiply this perimeter with this length. Okay, so this is the formula for duct area. Okay, so we can generate that formula inside this PlanShift software. It is pretty simple. You can go to this template and then you can generate a new template. Okay, it's pretty simple. You can go to new tab and then you can type a name, training UOM. Okay, then I will go and click OK. Training UOM. Then I can go to this new linear and then I can generate the template for duct area. Duct area UOM 26. Okay, then I will click advanced. Okay, and this is like a coding area. Okay, so you can code your measurement by using this PlanShift software. That is the magic of the PlanShift software. So I will generate this formula. I will click on this add, then I will add new attribute. Okay, so this is the width of the duct. Okay, and I will click here and I will add this to number. Okay, and this should be estimating. Then I'll click OK. Okay, now you can see width here. Then HEIGHT height This is estimating, and I'll click OK. Then I can see height also. Okay, then I will give some units. Okay, so this is meter, and this is also meter. Then after that, I can generate the formula. Okay, so I want to have the duct area. Okay, so we can generate this formula inside this Planswip software. We have to generate width plus height into 2, and we have to multiply it from length. Okay, so inside this takeoff, you already have the length. Okay, so then you have to multiply this from width plus height. Then you can multiply this from 2. Okay, so after generating this formula, okay, so you can go to form layout, and then you can add some units to your attributes here. Okay, it's very simple. I will add units to width and height. Okay, then I will change the unit of this quantity as well. I'll change it to a square meter. Okay, so this is square meters. Okay, then I will click OK. Now it's done. Okay, I will go to home. Okay, now I can measure this quantity very easily. I can go here and I can click on Training University of Morocco. Then I can double click here. Okay, first I need to scale this. Okay, I will go and double scale this drawing. It's very simple. Okay, so we can take this vertical length and some horizontal lengths. Okay, I will put 6 meter here. Then I will measure this point to this point. Okay, first I will scale vertically, then I will scale horizontally. Okay, this is 6.2, and then I'll click OK, and I will scale horizontally as well. Then I can double click here and I can have this measurement box. Okay, I will put the width, which is 1.350, and height, sectional height is 0.4. Okay, it's pretty simple. We can measure this bad boy. Okay, see, it's very easy. So you can design your own measurement box, and you can measure quantities very easily by this software. Okay, so you need to have a comprehensive understanding about this Planswip software. I will teach you how to measure structural architectural quantities and MEP quantities. Then I will teach you how to measure reinforcement, and I will go into the depth of this Planswip software. I will teach you everything. I will teach you around 32 formulas. Okay, so this will be a comprehensive training for Planswip. Okay, so don't take Planswip lightly, because most of the UAE design companies, contractors, and fit-out companies use Planswip software as their default measurement software. Okay, you need to have a comprehensive knowledge regarding Planswip. I will give you that knowledge. Okay, now I will ask you few questions. Okay, I can't ask you every question in this slide. Okay, but I can ask few questions. Okay, and I will help you to plan your future through this slide set. Okay, so this will be an interesting exercise. Okay, so obviously you guys are, wait a second, I will share my other screen. Okay, so you guys are below 24, right? And you guys are undergraduate. Okay, so shall I click this slide? Okay, see, so you are below 24, a university undergraduate. Okay, now you are seeking for new job opportunity. Okay, 90% of quantity surveyors starting their career as measurement quantity survey. Okay, so You must learn these measurements of time. You must learn Plancet, Bluebeam, Costex. Okay, you don't have any other option. You must learn. Okay, now I hope you can see my screen again. Okay, now let me ask you some other questions. So, if you are a young quantity surveyor with 2, 3 years of experience, okay, what shall you do? Okay, now you have to change the existing job and explore for foreign job opportunities. Okay, so after you grow as a uh, basic level quantity surveyor, okay, you must seek for job opportunities in foreign countries. Okay, so if you want to obtain job opportunities in Australia, New Zealand, UK, UAE, Ireland, you must have great understanding about Costex, Plansect, and Bluebeam. Okay, therefore, it's very, very important you need to learn the software. Okay, and after you have become a veteran quantity surveyor, okay, so uh, okay, now I hope you can see my screen again. Okay, now let me ask you some other questions. So, if you are a young quantity surveyor with 2, 3 years of experience, okay, what shall you do? Okay, now you have to change the existing job and explore for foreign job opportunities. Okay, so after you grow as a uh, basic level quantity surveyor, okay, you must seek for job opportunities in foreign countries. Okay, so if you want to obtain job opportunities in Australia, New Zealand, UK, UAE, Ireland, you must have great understanding about Costex, Plansect, and Bluebeam. Okay, therefore, it's very, very important you need to learn the software.
And I know that you are planning to obtain job opportunities in Middle East region. So as you can see in this screen, these companies are international cost consultancy companies. You can see DG Jones, you can see Delieve, Turner and Townsend, Acom, Blanderson, Atkin Release, Faithful Gold, Unique, Compass. All these companies are international cost consultancy companies. So if you have been able to obtain a job opportunity in these companies, you can have a secure life. Okay, because you can have a great salary, stable salary, and their insurance is very good. Okay, therefore please try to learn these quantity serving software, especially Costex. Then it will be easy you to obtain job opportunities in these international cost consultancy firm. And these companies are from Sri Lanka. You can see project allied project development consultants. Most of their employees followed my course, including their managing QS. And you can see XCOM, then you can see Econ, Spectrum, Halford, Oracle, Moonstone, QServe, Kata. These are very advanced, prestigious Sri Lankan companies. If you want to obtain job opportunities in these companies, you must learn PlanShift, Clock, Costex, and Bluebeam, because as a young quantity surveyor, you need to start your career as a measurement quantity surveyor. These consultancy firms doing foreign jobs, so it's very important. And now you can see this slide. I had a great opportunity to train the staff of Haley's Fentons. Dhammika Pereira recognized our company, and he instructed his secretary to contact me and invite me to deliver a special Costex program for Haley's Fentons. And they were kind enough to put our company name into their job advertisements. And here you can see Halford Group, and I had great privilege to train their staff. Gayalaya personally invited me, and Vivekaya also participated for this session. Okay, now, I will explain, little bit about Bluebeam Brew. Most of us know Bluebeam Brew as a measurement software. Actually, Bluebeam Brew is not a measurement software. It is construction management software. Basically, you can compare drawings, you can manage your drawings, and you can edit your drawings by using this Bluebeam Preview software. And measurement is very small part of this Bluebeam Preview software, but some quantity survey and consultancy firms use Bluebeam Preview software as their default measurement software. If you want to obtain a job opportunity in Australia, Canada, USA, you must have a comprehensive knowledge regarding this Bluebeam Review software. As you can see, you can edit and you can manage your drawings efficiently by using this Bluebeam Review software. Especially, you can compare your drawings, you can split your screen into two, and you can easily compare your drawings by using this Bluebeam Preview software. And also, if you want to delete something, you can just and select and delete. Okay, so it is very easy. Then I will show you one example. You can see this is our plan drawing, and you can see one section, and now I want to have that section inside that plan drawing. It is very simple. You can go ahead and you can use this screenshot option to capture that section, and you can paste that section in this plan drawing. Then you can see your plan drawing, and you can see your section drawing inside the plan drawing, and then you can do the measurements. This is also very fascinating option available in Bluebeam Review software. As I mentioned earlier, this Bluebeam Review software has the measurement option as well. So we can easily go to our measurements, and then we can scale the drawing. It is very important to scale the drawing. If we have a known length, we can scale the drawing based on that known length. After scaling the drawing, we can easily start our measurements. We can go to this volume function, and then we can put our label and the subject. Then we can start our measurement. It's very simple. We have to change the units. My volume should be in cubic meters. I can easily select the cubic meters, then I can proceed with the quantification. It's very simple. We can quantify the element, then we can see the quantity, and then we can get a separate measurement sheet as well. Okay, so this is very simple and easy method to extract quantities from this Bluebeam Review software. There are many options available in Bluebeam Review software. You can export your quantities into Excel. Okay, there are many options available in this Bluebeam Review software. Now I will explain you our aim of this program. This is not only software training program. We will guide you, we will prepare you for the competitive industry. Okay, so we'll start with CV preparation. Me and Ishini will guide you to prepare a proper CV, because if you have a solid CV, then it will be easy you to get a job opportunity. We will guide you to prepare academic CV as well as professional CV, and then we will plan to review your CV as well, and then you can get the best opportunity available in the construction market. This part is really important, and a lot of students of mine followed my CV format and obtained job opportunities, especially in UAE and Saudi and other Middle East countries as well. Okay, then how to improve your LinkedIn profile? We will guide you to prepare your LinkedIn profile in a proper manner. I have around 10,200 followers in LinkedIn, and I will guide you how to market yourself by using this LinkedIn platform, and how to use this LinkedIn to obtain job opportunities. Then we will guide you how to apply for job opportunities. There are plenty of platforms. LinkedIn is one platform, and there are plenty of platforms. We will guide you. Then we will guide you how to prepare for a QS career. What are the soft skills you need to master? How to control your daily routine? We will guide you with regards to everything. Then how to build your own business. Me and Nishini, we both have our own businesses. I have Techno Saga City, and I have a cost consultancy firm called Contara, and Nishini has his own her own company, and to how we will guide you how to build a business in this program. Okay, and this will be really interesting for you. I hope every one of you will join with this program and learn these uh, contents from us. And after doing a job for a long period of time, it is very important to build your own business. Then only you can have the financial freedom in your life. Okay, so I hope you will learn all these things from us, and you will apply this knowledge in your day to day life. Okay, then how to grow with confidence in the industry. I started my career as a quantity surveyor. Now, after 5 years, I have become a country manager of a software company, and this is not not an easy journey. And Ishini also has her own story. Okay, we will guide you with regards to this as well. Now, if you have questions, you can ask from us directly. And also, we will provide you comprehensive lecture note, as you can see in this screen. This lecture note is a well compiled lecture note. You can see each and every step in this lecture note. After the lecture, you can easily recall your memory by using this comprehensive lecture note. Okay, and you can enjoy this lecture note during the training. So then uh, I will show you uh, some contents from the class. Okay, so we'll teach you everything. Okay, I will show you uh, how to generate reinforcement quantities. Okay, so I will open our previous project. Okay, then I will show you how we have calculated the reinforcement quantity. We will cover everything. We will start from the beginning. Okay, we will start from the substructure, then we will teach you how to measure superstructure quantity, then architectural quantity. Then after that we will teach you how to measure 3D elements. Okay, then after that reinforcement quantities we will teach you with regards to change management. We'll cover each and everything by using this Costex software. Okay, so please do not worry about anything. Okay, you will learn everything about Costex software during this program. Okay, and please join and enjoy this lecture series. Now you can see in the screen I will go to this reinforcement project. Okay, then I will show you. Here we have measured beam reinforcement, as you can see. Then you can see main pass sit-ups, again main pass sit-ups. Okay, so we'll teach you everything crystal clearly during the training. Okay, so please learn by heart. And we have got some questions. uh, okay, now I will talk little bit in Sinhala. ඔයාලට ඇතරම software එක හම්බෙනවා. software එකේ education version එක ඔයාලගේ course fee එකට include. ඒක නිසා බය වෙන්න එපා. course එකට join වෙලා හොඳට වැඩ ටික කරගන්න. මොකද මේක තමයි ඔයාලගේ game changing point එක. මේ කාලේ හොඳට කරලා ඊළඟට ඔයාලා හොඳ job එකකට ගියොත් එතන ඉඳන් ඔයාගේ future එක secure වෙනවා. ඔයා මේ young stage එකේදී හරියට softwares ඉගෙන ගන්න නැතුව industry එකට ගිහිල්ලා එතන ඉර වුණොත් නැත්නම් job එකකට ය아가න්න බැරි වුණොත් එහෙම ඒක ඔයාගේ මුළු career එකටම බලපානවා. ඒක නිසා මම ඔයාලගෙන් ඉල්ලනවා හොඳට කල්පනා කරලා decision එකක් ගන්න. මේ course එකේ අපි just software උගන්වන්නේ නැහැ. අපි ඔයාලව prepare කරනවා construction industry එකට සහ අපි try කරනවා ගොඩාක් ඔයාලගෙන් කීප දෙනෙක්ව තෝරගෙන අපේ කම්පැනි එකට join කරගන්න. එහෙනම් හැමෝටම ස්තුතියි session එකට join වුණාට. හැමෝටම සුබ දවසක්.